Hi,
Hi.
I am with Ezra
Hello.
and we were running around in the forest and we finished our run.
Yes.
Yes. We did like 5 minutes warming up. Then we ran for 30 minutes straight.
Yes.
Right?
It was very hard.
Yeah. For me especially, I didn't sleep and I drank coffee without drinking enough water. So that was my mistake.
Oh God, crazy girl.
yeah. Next time I need to drink more water and get sleep maybe.
Yeah.
But you were fast, man.
Oh no.
Yeah. You were.
I ate already.
No, it's good.
Okay, thank you.
We want to show you something. This was our old high school there, and it was very funny because me and Ezra, we were just like we kunnen anders wel lopen
Okay.
tussendoor. Yeah, we were walking after our run, and then we saw someone very similar.
Oh. What's the name of the person?
Ach ja, ik heb toch niet mijn video's.
Okay.
Ja. Zeg je conciërge in het Engels?
Wat is het?
Het zit op het puntje van mijn tong, maar ik kan echt niet opkomen.
Oh, die zegt ook conciërge.
Concierge.
Ja.
We saw the concierge, like someone who is cleaning the school, right?
Yes.
And giving punishments to annoying high school children. Yes. So he is still working there
Yeah.
after all those years.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I think more than 10 years.
Yeah, that's quite a long time.
Yeah.
So we saw him on bicycle and he was also working there when we were in high school. And me and Ezra were like, huh? We were looking at each other. Yeah. And we were like, which day is it? And I didn't sleep, so I thought it was Monday. But it's actually Tuesday. Yes. But that was kind of funny. And Ezra, do you like quarantine?
Yes, I like it. Yeah, it's very. I have a lot of time.
Yeah.
And a lot. I have a lot free time.
Yes.
So I like it. Yeah.
Yeah. That's good. Because what are you doing? Thesis, right?
Yes, thesis. Yes.
And what are you writing about? Like which kind of topic?
What kind of topic? It's
Zeg maar.
law on the master degree, and yeah.
Yes. Good job, smart girl.
Thank you.
Yes. Yeah. So we can still run together with 1.5 meters distance.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think so. Yeah.
That's the rule in the Netherlands. And we are now walking to our homes and see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.